Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed services provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. If you are receiving as much email as I am on COVID-19 offers, it can get confusing and overwhelming. So I put together a page on our website that will give you a lot of information. Check out this webpage for steps to rise above this epidemic, as well as to gain access to multiple free resources available to you today to continue running your business. As a community and together, we will get through this mess and our businesses will flourish once again. As always, we are here to help in any way that we can. There are a lot of options for all of us. We just need to think outside the box. Our website is www.larrycomputerguy.com. There is a link at the top that says COVID-19 resources. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations for social gathering. Stay safe out there.